could not get anything to eat. पर उसे खाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं मिला. At last he reached a garden. आखिरी में वो एक गार्डन में पहुंचा. He saw the crow sitting on the bench of the tree. वहां पे देखा एक कौवा बैठा हुआ था पेड़ के डाली पे. He had a piece of meat in his beaks. उसने देखा कौवे की चोंच में एक मीट का पीस था. He wanted to get it. वह उसे लेना चाहता था मीट के पीस को. Now he hit upon his clever plan. उसने अपना चालाक दिमाग लगाया और उसने he said to crow. उसने कौवे से कहा, You are very beautiful. तुम बहुत खूबसूरत हो. Your voice is sweet. तुम्हारी आवाज बहुत ही मधुर है. I like your song. मैं तुम्हारे गाने को पसंद करता हूँ. Please sing me a song. कृपया मेरे लिए एक गाना गा दो. The silly crow was in his sweet words.
A student who will just narrate a story lies in front of you, and I hope you will enjoy it. Yes, Diksha, carry on.
It was a hot summer day. बहुत ही गर्मी का दिन था. A sun was burning hot. सूर्य की किरणें भी बहुत तेज थी. A lion lay asleep under a shady tree. एक lion छायादार पेड़ के नीचे सोया हुआ था. A mouse lived in its hole nearby. वहीं पे पास में एक चूहा रहता था. A mouse came out of the hole. Mouse अपने होल से बाहर निकला and started jumping on the lion's body. और lion की बॉडी पर कूदना शुरू कर दिया. The lion woke up. जो lion था वो उठ गया. He caught the mouse in his paw. उसने अपने मुंह में उस माउस को पकड़ लिया. He was going to kill it. वह उसे मारने जा रहा था. The mouse begged to lion for mercy. माउस ने लायन से दया की भीख मांगी. It said that please don't kill me. I shall help you when you are in trouble. उसने कहा कि प्लीज मुझे मत मारो, मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा जब तुम प्रॉब्लम में होगे. At this the lion laughed. इसे सुन के lion हंसने लगा. He let the mouse go. उसने माउस को छोड़ दिया. After some days, कुछ दिन बाद, a hunter comes in its forest. कुछ दिन बाद उनके जंगल में एक शिकारी आया. He spread a net under a tree. उसने पेड़ के नीचे नेट बिछा दिया. By chance the lion caught in his net. जो lion था वो गलती से उस नेट में बंद हो गया. The lion tried hardly to free himself. Lion ने बहुत किया कि वो अपने आप को बचा सके, बट वह नहीं बचा पाया. It began to roar. उसने दहाड़ना शुरू किया. The mouse heard the lion's roar. Mouse ने lion की दहाड़ सुनी. He came running to there. वह भागकर उस तरफ आया. It saw that the lion caught in a net. उसने देखा कि जो lion था वो एक नेट में बंद था. It wanted to repay the lion's kindness. वह lion की kindness का एहसान उतारना चाहता था. It bit the net with its sharp teeth. तो उसने अपने sharp teeth से वो नेट को काट दिया. Now the lion was free. अभी जो lion था वो free था, वो बाहर निकल चुका था. The lion thanked to the mouse to his timely help. Lion ने mouse की हेल्प के लिए अगर तुम किसी का अच्छा करोगे तो तुम्हारे साथ भी लोग अच्छा करेंगे.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड. अब क्लैप कर देंगे दीक्षा के लिए सारे. When the Ivan Dimret started running his fingers through the winning column.
While running his finger through the winning column, Ivan I suddenly catch a figure 9499 of his wife lottery ticket, and he was dumbstruck and numb by the sweet feeling in his stomach.
In his stomach. What's the meaning of this answer? आप मुझे हिंदी में बता सकते हैं आंसर का क्या मतलब है?
इवान ने अपने उंगलियों को 9499 नंबर को ढूंढने के लिए तेजी से भगाया। अचानक से उसकी आंखों के सामने 9499 नंबर दिखा। वो शॉक हक्का बक्का रह गया नंबर देखकर। ऑफ हिज वाइफ लॉटरी, जो कि वो उसकी पत्नी की टिकट थी।
एक बार क्लैप कर देंगे मुस्कान के लिए। बहुत अच्छे। What were the skills and knowledge of a Paleolithic man? Gunjan.
Skills and knowledge of Paleolithic man. First point, the early man who was a hunter and gatherer. He started living in caves. Second point, to ensure protection from extreme weather, he covered himself with coarse animal skin and a large leaf. Third point, he started moving in one place to another place. This is nomadic life. And also starting collecting fruits, nuts, roots, or plants. Fourth point, the early man used to move in groups to scare away wild animals. Fifth point, so early man moved in large groups. They were still feared lightning and thunder. Sixth point, the primary weapon was stone. Axe often used for hunting. Flake tools were used
As often used for hunting.
Axe often used for hunting. Flake tools were used for cutting animal skin to be used as clothes and for cutting plants. Seventh point, they also practiced painting, painted rocks and caves in Bhimbekta, Madhya Pradesh. Source, hunting, gatherer, chasing animals and birds. This clearly proved of existence of Paleolithic man.
What's the Hindi of this answer? What is the Hindi of this answer?
First point, जो पहले के लोग थे वो पहले शिकार करते थे और उन्हें इकट्ठा करते थे। फिर उन्हें शुरू करा गुफाओं में रहना। सेकंड पॉइंट, उन्होंने अपनी प्रोटेक्शन इंश्योर करने के लिए एक्सट्रीम वेदर से उन्होंने अपने आप को कवर किया पशु पक्षी के खाल से या फिर बड़ी बड़ी पत्तियों से। थर्ड पॉइंट, फिर उन्होंने शुरू करा एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना, जिसे कह सकते हैं नोमैडिक लाइफ, और उन्हें जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं वहां से फ्रूट्स, नट्स, प्लांट्स, रूट्स ये सब इकट्ठे करते हैं। फोर्थ पॉइंट, जो अर्ली मैन से फिर उन्होंने शुरू करा ग्रुप्स में जाना, दलों में जाना, टू स्केयर अवे वाइल्ड एनिमल्स से बचने के लिए। फिफ्थ पॉइंट, फिर उन्होंने शुरू करा बड़े बड़े दलों में जाना क्योंकि उन्हें डर लगता था लाइटनिंग से और थंडर से।
Mr. Vineet, what is how is lithosphere useful to us? How is the lithosphere useful to us?
The lithosphere is a solid part of the Earth's surface which comprises of rock minerals. The rock mineral extend both over the continent's ocean bases. The word lithos, the rock.
What were the skills and knowledge of a Paleolithic man? Ayush.
Early man who was hunting and gathering, starting living in caves to early protect from extreme weather. He collect himself with caves, animal skin and large leaves. He started moving from one place to another, nomad life, and also started collecting nuts, fruits and plants. The early man used to move in groups to scare away wild animals. Though early man moved in large groups, they were stripped of lightning and thunder.
What were the favorable conditions for human settlement existed in Hongsai Bachibal valleys? आराम से सुना।
Some of the left side covered India are in Hamsi and Vishwal valleys in Karnataka. Stone age tools dating to around 1 million years ago have been found here. Hamsi appeared to have been a place where early humans manufactured tools. The ability of thermal water storage in the form of sprint, the ability of raw material in the for the limestone for tool making the product. Natural of the valleys and the ability of a wide variety of a plant and animal for ensured continued human occupation of this valley from the
Through the winning column.
Finger through the winning column.
कैमरा
Ivan.
थोड़ा ऊपर करके। कैमरा थोड़ा ऊपर करके। हाँ जी।
While running his finger through the winning column, Ivan, I suddenly catch a figure 9499 of his wife lottery ticket, and he was dumbstruck and numb by the sweet feeling of his stomach.
Okay, how did Ivan Dimrich decide to spend 75,000 rubles? This. और इसका मतलब क्या था आंसर का जो तुमने बताया मुस्कान अभी?
इवान अपनी उंगलियों को तेज भगाने लगा 9499 नंबर को ढूंढने के लिए। अचानक से उसकी आंखों के सामने 9499 दिखा। वो हक्का बक्का। ये देख।
What did Ivan Dimrich say to his wife after getting the number 9499 in the newspaper? What was her reaction?
What's the reaction?
Yeah.
Firstly, Ivan called his wife named Masha and low and hollow voice to told her that the series number 9499 was present in the newspaper. Her reaction was of amazement and disbelief. She thought that he must joking. Her face turned pale and the table dropped from her hand.
What was the hydrosphere comprised of? Hydrosphere क्या आता है? Hydrosphere क्या होता है? Yes, PJ, Mr. Vinit.
The hydrosphere is a part of the Earth's surface which comprises the continents, water bodies, lake, land, river, sea, and ocean. You already know 70% part of the Earth's surface is covered with water. A vast island is floating in the ocean while ocean are major land masses link between the water supported all form of the life on earth. earth. It has moderating effect on climate religion.
Early man who was hunter and gathered, living in caves. Second point, to ensure protection for extreme weather, we covered him. The coarse animal skins and large leaves. Third point, he started moving from one place to another place, nomadic life, and also started collecting fruits, nuts, plants, or roots. Fourth point, early man used to move in groups, scare away wild animals. Fifth point, tough early men moved in large groups. They were still afraid of lightning and thunder. Sixth,
What happens to him? Yes, carry on.
when a person does not get proper result after expectation, his or her imagination lead to bitterness and is evident in the person anger, resentment, and irritation. The person also failed to realize that she is unable to fulfill his or her inaction. जब किसी व्यक्ति को उम्मीद के साथ उचित परिणाम नहीं मिलता है तो उसके कल्पना में कड़वाहट आ जाती है और वे व्यक्ति गुस्सा, आक्रोश और जलन का प्रमाण है। व्यक्ति ये महसूस करने में विफल हो जाता है कि वह अपनी निष्क्रियता के कारण अपनी अपेक्षा को पूरा करने में असमर्थ है।
यानी कि अपने इनएक्शंस के कारण जो वो एक्शंस नहीं ले रहा है, that's why he is unable to complete his dreams, and bitterness comes into his mind, in his imaginative world, that it is something which is really happening. ये उसकी वजह से हो रहा है, उसकी वजह से हो रहा है, और ये कड़वाहट आ जाती है उसके अंदर, ये तो उसका है, ये तो उसका है, ये मेरा नहीं है, तो ये कड़वाहट उसके अंदर आ जाती है। और अपने एक्शंस उसके नहीं होते ड्यू टू हिज इनएक्शंस। वो काम नहीं करता, वो कर्म नहीं करता, और वो कर्म नहीं करता, ठीक है, उसकी वजह से उसकी आशाएं पूरी नहीं होती, मगर वो लोगों को अपना दुश्मन बना लेता है कि यार इसकी वजह से मैं ये नहीं कर पाया, इसकी वजह से मैं वो नहीं कर पाया। तो ये एक चीज है, दैट्स द रीजन। एक बार